Today, we're going over 11 free Ableton racks that are going to blow your mind. Aloha Gang, welcome back. Congrats on becoming a better music maker. Ableton Gang, smash that like button so I know you're out there. If you guys are new here, welcome, I'm Alex. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification if you guys are interested in growing your skills as a producer. I'm always on the hunt for awesome free plugins, shortcuts, and in this case, Ableton racks. I found it at a website called, I'm not sure how to say it, but it's bvker.com. I'll leave it in the description box below so you guys can pick it up. But this is a great set of tools that you can apply to all your beats, and I'm already getting a lot of use out of it. Let's jump on in. I'll go over all the goods, and as always, stick around to the end because I'll show you how to load this onto your system. All right, jumping on in. So starting with this mastering rack, it's pretty much what you think it is. It's a mastering rack, but it's kind of got everything you need. So here's without it, with it. Obviously you want to have a good mix before you apply this, but this is just, you can kind of glue it all together. Sounds good. Moving on to the vocal rack. This is just something I would use if I was demoing something. I wouldn't necessarily use it as the end all be all. Obviously there's a bunch of really good plugins you can get, but for a free one, it's good. It kind of has everything you need. I used just an acapella that I got off Looperman to test it on.
Know that you regret this. Know that you regret this. One good thing you mess with. Yeah. How we go from tapped into disconnected. Now you just a bad bitch up on my friends. Waking up the neighbors when we blessing Netflix. Know that you regret this. One good thing you mess with. Said I gotta catch a flight. Can't even stay for breakfast. All this diamonds on my necklace. I done got what I expected. Could be jumping out the coop, but we fell out unexpected. Yeah. Know that you
some muddy frequencies.
One good thing you mess with. Could have had it all. Then we split right down the middle.
And then Focus kind of controls the cleanup.
Down just a
compressor.
Copy how I volley double dribble. You know fucked up on a bag.
We got de-esser, reverb, and delay.
Yeah, I fucked up bag. Try to do whole shit. Get out my brain. Gotta stay focused. Can't hop in my lane. Your stock is the lowest. I got my money up. Thought you would notice. All this ice from my heart to the coldest. Picking up pieces. I thought it I'm broken. I got my money up. Rest of a fold. And we had it all. How did you blow it? I ain't even say goodbye when I left you. The way we used to fuss stay on your mind and never left you. Said do I ever cross your mind and get you wet? Remember all the times and don't forget. Yeah, how we go from tapped into disconnected. Now you just a bad bitch up on my friends. Waking up the neighbors when we blessing Netflix. Know that you regret this. One good thing you mess with. Said I gotta catch a flight. I can't even stay for breakfast. All this diamonds on my necklace. I done got what I expected. Could be jumping out the coop, but we fell out unexpected. Yeah, know that you regret this. One good thing you mess with.
It also comes with this basic chord rack. Basically what this does is, this is for people who are new to music theory. It will automatically create a fitting triad based on the key you've selected, and then you can enable the octave, and let's see, I think the bass note as well. I haven't really messed with this one too much, but this would be cool to kind of play around with. This washed out knob is awesome for transitions. It's only got one macro here, but it's kind of cool if you, let's say you want to put it on melody and you're coming to like a chorus or a break. Right? It's pretty dope. That one's rad. Next we have this Easi 808. I'll throw it on this other 808 right here. But it's basically a sine wave. Let me drop this down. It's a sine wave and it's got a bunch of parameters you can mess with. This LoFi Rack, this is one that I've been using all the time. Watch. Throw it on this guy right here. For some reason you have to open up the rack first and then throw it onto your track, but it still works. So it kind of has this little crackling noise. Next, we have the Reverb Rack. That's exactly what you think it is. These are good just to have if you're, you know, kind of being inspired and you don't want to spend all your time putting all the stock plugins in a row. Just throw this rack on there and it gives you a bunch of parameters you can mess around with. The Sauce Rack is super cool if you're coming up with, if you're working with a melody. Let me see, let me put this on. Saucy. Let's put it on this one. I would combine this, like I would have 2 tracks and maybe put the Sauce Rack on one and then have a dry one or another processed one. That's without it. That's with it. Yeah, that's cool. Soft clipper is cool because like Ableton's glue compressor comes with a soft clipper, but the output volume, it'll change when you increase the gain. So with this one, you can drive the gain and then adjust the output so you kind of have true bypass. And then you can also filter the wet signal and mix in the dry sound as well. That one's awesome. Easi Sidechain, that one you just throw on and sidechain something. It's good for, it's better for like house beats and stuff, but you know, you can still throw it on your 808s, so you can sidechain it with your kick. And then it also comes with this gain rack, and then it doesn't have any, you look at this, it only has 2 knobs on here. Gain rack. So you'd have to throw something in between it. It's just basically like a couple utility things, but if you put an effect between it, you can turn the input up and then attenuate the output gain. So it's just a useful tool. So it kind of comes with stuff that's good for, you know, becoming inspired on something, and then it also just comes with good utility. All right, so check this out. I'm going to show you how to load it onto your system right now. So you come to this user library, show in Finder, and then you're going to actually create a folder that says third-party packs, and then put your downloaded file in there, and then come back to this Places tab, click Add Folder, and then find that same folder, which is actually in your, if you go here, if you go to your users, and then go to here, and then go to music, Ableton, and then you find your third-party pack, and then load it up in there, and then it'll show up in there. Free stuff is great, especially when it's awesome. When you guys download it, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you get any uses out of it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like. I just uploaded a video on how to become a more productive producer. If you guys haven't checked that one out, make sure you check it out. I'm gonna leave it right here. Follow me on Instagram at AlohaAlex. Let's link up. Hope you guys are having a great week. Keep making beats. I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.